We start work pretty early, and it's a full day's work. We make the best use of the daylight and work late into the day. A lot of the roof repairs, we try to get several of those done a day, so the coordination with our people is really demanding on us to have our ducks in a row and ready to hit the ground running every day. What keeps us focused and what keeps us driven is, just the attention to detail it requires to really do a great job. And, just day in and day out looking for the things that we can do better to provide a better customer experience, but also provide a better customer product.
I woke up one morning and there was a 300-year-old huge tree laying on my house. And it had gone through the roof. I had water coming through my roof into the second floor, and I posted some pictures on Facebook of it. And Brian actually contacted me and asked me if I wanted him to give me a bid.
I'm Kimberly Otwell. I'm with Reliable Restoration. We do fire, water, and mold remediation. So whenever your house floods or catches on fire, we're the guys you call to clean that up. Somebody always asks, who would you refer? It's a hard thing to do because you're really sticking your neck out there.
I'm Jerry Hardman, and I was the chairman of the Board of Trustees at First United Methodist Church. To give you an idea of how bad our leaks were, first week that I was chairing that committee, the roof of the women's bathroom on the second floor fell.
We were buying a house, and the insurance company of the current owner had deemed the roof needed replaced.
He had Sam there the very next day, and they got to work. I'm a single woman with 4 kids, and I had no idea what to do, where to begin, and they kind of came in and saved the day.
The fact that Sam and Brian were willing to drive an hour and over to Scottsboro and spend an hour with me walking the property and having just very, casual, comfortable conversations with him, I just got a good feeling.
I can count on Sam. I know when he makes an appointment with a customer that he's going to be there. I know that when he comes out, his level of professionalism mirrors our company's.
It's nice to deal with somebody that I knew personally. I don't have to call the office and speak to the gatekeeper first. You're talking to a person, you're talking to a human.
Our main objective when we meet a new customer is to basically find out what their needs are and what their desires are. A lot of other companies try to pigeonhole you into a roofing replacement. That's all they're really interested in. And our main objective when we meet a customer is to find out what do they need, what problem are they looking to solve. We like to offer our customers numerous solutions. We'll take a little extra time to really understand what they're comfortable with and maybe bounce several ideas off them. So we want our customers to feel like we've addressed their problems and what we've offered as a solution is really what they want us to do.
Sam's experience and expertise on the roof is for sure a benefit for our company.
Was a seamless, absolutely seamless operation.
Everything was 5 stars.
Couldn't have gone better, in my opinion. Huge weight off my shoulders.
We put in the hard work and the time because we want our customers to have a great customer experience and a positive experience from using Fleming Roofing and Restoration. And our promise to our customers is that we will show up.